Hi, this is Simon from Intervals. In this video, I'm going to show you the task import feature. Let's say you need to create multiple tasks in your account. This could either be because you're migrating from another platform, or you're setting up a new project, or you're creating a lot of tasks for the week and you just don't want to use the interface. This is where this tool is very useful. Any administrator level user can use this tool. All you need to do is go to tasks and import tasks, and you'll be presented with a tool. You can actually do it for other items, for example, time, milestones, pretty much any resource that is located in the global navigation. Once you get to the tool, all you need to do is provide a CSV delimited file, and Intervals will save the data as tasks. You can download a sample template file from the left to get you started. Each file contains column definitions for each type of import. Using this template is optional, so if you already have a data file, you don't need to use it. You just keep using your data file. You just have to map a little bit more on the columns in the next step that I'll be showing. Some of these column definitions have some requirements, so just hover over the tooltips and they'll give you a little bit more information if you need it. You can also take a look at this forum post in the forums. Click there and then it'll show you a lot more detail on every element that is available for importing. Here is a file that I have filled in for tasks, and I'm referencing some projects, and I'm also referencing some people. Their full name is located in the cell. If you're using, for example, a task for multiple assignees, all you have to do is separate them by commas. Let me show you how that works if you were to import that. So you just upload the file. Here is where the benefit of using a template file is shown. All of the columns are already pre-selected on the mapping step. You don't have to do anything. All you do is probably just verify that everything looks correct. If you were using your own template file with your own column names, you would have to go in and select each column to make sure it's going to the right location. If I click continue, I'll be presented with the preview of the items, as well as items that need to be have some attention. It looks like here's the typo. This module isn't being found, and it's a pretty frequent typo or error that we get as well. Sometimes, for example, the module might not be associated with the project, or another error is the owner doesn't have access to the project, or the assignee isn't also doesn't have access to the project, or those types of errors will always show up in the bottom, and they'll be italic with red text, and the error will be shown on the last cell, and it's showing module is required. And since module is a requirement for a task, it can't be imported. So once I fix that, it should be okay to import. Of course, you need to upload the file again. Once it's uploaded, it shows everything is now importable. If you have a lot of data, only the first 50 rows will be shown, so it's kind of a limitation of the import in terms of performance. We want to make it as easy as possible to use. So once everything is okay, a lot of the projects will be, or all of the projects should be clickable to make sure you're importing into the correct project. If it's a person, it should be clickable to the person. All of these have hover view, so you don't have to click. You can just hover and see that's the right person. So once you click import, everything is saved. If you somehow need to delete the import, you can go to the import history page and delete it from here. It will display the amount of items imported and the date, and as well as the file name. So as you can see, there's other types of imports. Each element has a quick tooltip that describes the columns for formatting, requirements. If you need more detail, you can always go to the blog post and get more information. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.